Yeah, I like it too.
Cassie can be part of 3 rounds. I mean, she doesn't have to talk on Skype.
Here, let's get away from this boombox because it's kind of loud for me.
It's echoing in the cave.
Okay. So. Let's see. Isn't Katie getting married with Alex?
Yeah.
So that's some good news for Katie. I don't know if it's good news for anyone. I don't know.
Like, I had no clue about this. Should we interview her because she's online?
Yeah, let's go interview her.
Alright.
She'll probably be like camera shy like Cassie. Would you mind turning off your Freelom sounds? Because it's kind of hurting my ears because it's loud.
I can't because we're recording. It's like,
You can't hear me?
if I put my headphones in, it blocks out your noise. So they
Oh.
wouldn't hear you talk. You can just minimize it. I mean...
But wait, could you just like go to your Freelom settings and turn it off like I did?
Oh yeah.
There we go. That's better. Okay, so let's start interviewing Katie.
Whoa.
Okay, so what are we gonna interview her about?
I guess their wedding? I don't know, since I heard Alex proposed, right?
Yeah. Here, let's go into a more private area. I'll invite both of you guys.
Okay.
I know it's kind of junky, but it doesn't really matter.
That's pretty cool. Where's
Okay, so
Katie?
I think Katie should be coming on.
Oh,
Yep.
she's right here.
Okay, should you start off the interview?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh man. This thing's gonna end in like a couple seconds.
What is?
The recording thing, because it's 5 minutes and then you have to make a second one for 5 minutes more, so we have to stop Katie when I have to upload the thing.
Oh my god, guys, look at this, bro.
Who the heck is that?
Wait. Hold on.
Who is that?
Look at this.
I don't
Look at
know.
this girl.
Is this another ad?
What the heck? Okay, anyways. Oh gosh.
Who's Valentine
Why can I hear your friend?
Cupid Art?
Okay, she's out now. Okay, anyways, let's just start interviewing her again.
So you were saying. Why is that weird girl? Oh. Oh, I thought this was...
Okay, this is kind of getting awkward, and let's just start interviewing her.
Alright. Is that supposed to say relationship? There we go.
Watch this.
Chester, hurry up. We got 2 minutes.
Okay.
I wish I had a microphone.
Hmm.
Maybe this stick thing can be it. What? Oh. If Peppy's planning it, that should be interesting.
Yeah, that should be interesting. That could end up having someone dying at the end. Because he kind of messes things up a lot.
Yeah.
Okay, so start interviewing. Okay, so let's ask her a few more questions. So, Balto, why do you have Aaron in your videos pretty much every video?
No one else does videos with me. I'm forever alone. I tried to get Daryl one time, but he asks me every time why I'm not on Skype, and I tell him I'm always busy with homework. And then when I finally get my Skype back, he never Skypes me, so it doesn't even make sense. Someone just messaged me. I think so, because I know Tech is good at planning. I kinda already saw where it was going. Hey, Balto here. Check out my Twitter page, Balto_Studios. I'll always be updating every time I make a video or what I'm doing and all that stuff. So make sure you're following to get the latest thoughts from me. And then go to my followers and check out Lupe and Coder's page. Well, stay cool. Peace.